Good morning, students. I am Sushant Kumar Singh. I am going to teach you components of environment. This is first chapter of class 7. So, students, first we have to know what is the environment. What is environment? The earth is only planet known to support life. Everybody know about the importance of earth, how life is possible on the earth. So, environment, the earth is only planet known to support life. As we know, it supply us all the resources, the materials we use, land, the food that we eat or drink. So, this is the importance of environment. Simply, the meaning of environment is our basic life support system. It provides the air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the land where we live. It also includes plants, animals, and a large variety of man-made things which are necessary for living. Students, this environment has both natural or man-made environment. Some examples of natural environment. Do you have idea about the natural environment? Students, like plants. You can say forests, water, land, mountains. These are the examples of natural environment. Man-made, which are made by man. Simple things like house, buildings, road, bridge. These are the examples of man-made environment. Again, students, the two components of the natural environment, that is the physical and biological, are largely interdependent and cannot be separated. Any major change in the physical environment is bound to bring a change in the accompanying biological environment. The change can be sudden or gradual. For example, the development of soil takes years together and cannot be visualized through our sense. On the other hand, some change are very sudden, like the change brought around the occurrence of an earthquake or volcano, etc. That means, students, some changes are take place a long time. Some changes we can found suddenly. Some changes we can found through volcanic eruption or natural disaster like earthquake, etc. So first, students, these are the importance of environment, and now we are going to study one by one components of environment, or the part 4 spheres of environment. These are the very important part of environment: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. Each of these is unique its own way and supports other. Its sustaining life forms on a planet called the Mother Earth. So first we have to go to we have to know the meaning of lithosphere. The literal meaning of lithosphere is the sphere of rocks. The Earth's solid layer is called lithosphere. The lithosphere is about 100 kilometer in thickness. The uppermost part of lithosphere is composed of rocks rich in silica and aluminium called sial. So one question will arise through it. How it's made? Lithosphere, the first layer of lithosphere made by silica and aluminium, so that it is called sial. Short form of silica and aluminium is Sial. Below the Sial layer, the rocks are mainly rich in silica and magnesium and are called Sima. Si means silica, Ma means magnesium. That is the reason it's called Sima, which is gradually found below the bottom of the ocean basins. Bottom of the ocean basin. Remember, student, this is very important. The lithosphere is that part of the earth which provides us land over which we live. It provides soil for the planet, plants, and is also a source of all the materials wealth. So student, we can say this is the very important part of environment. Lithosphere is very important part of environment. Again we have atmosphere. Atmosphere, students, the literal meaning of atmosphere is the spheres of air. Simple, student. Literal meaning of atmosphere is the literal meaning of atmosphere, or simple meaning of atmosphere, is the spheres of air. The atmosphere is composed of a mixture of gases which forms an envelope around the earth. It is a gaseous envelope extending about 1600 km above the earth's surface. 1600 km above the earth's surface. Remember it. This is very important point. Again, students, of the total mass of atmosphere, 99% exists within 30 km of height from the earth's surface. That means the part of atmosphere, 99% part of the atmosphere exists within 32 km of height from the earth's surface. Remember, 99%. Above the 32 km only we found 1% atmosphere. So this is the important question. Again, after the atmosphere, students, we have a point, hydrosphere. What is the importance of hydrosphere? Hydrosphere refers to the spheres of water which is present in ocean, rivers, lakes, and other bodies on the earth's surface. Remember, what is one question we have found it. Where is water found? So we can say water is found in oceans, rivers, lake, and other bodies on the earth's surface. The planet Earth is often called water planet or the blue planet. So that this is the region our Earth is called blue planet, because 71% water present in our Earth. The water bodies that include rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans over 71% of the Earth's surface. This the distribution of water is not uniform in both the northern and southern hemisphere. It is estimated that 43% of total area covered by water lies in the northern hemisphere, whereas the remaining 53% of lies in the southern hemisphere. Ocean hold 96.5% water on the earth. Reset the water available in the form of ice, water vapors, underground waters, rivers, and lakes. So one questions we have through hydrosphere, students, 96.5% water on the earth hold, ocean hold 96.5%. Rest of water we found, in the forms of ice, underground glacier or ice, underground water, rain, underground water, water vapors, rivers, and lakes. So this is the important water, so that we can say what is very important first. And pure we have only few pure water for drink or other words.